Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everybody had a good week. Figured I'd do a quick little Sunday night update, talk about some international banking, domino effect, chain reaction, volcanoes, Bitcoin, everything you want to hear about. Last week, I mentioned at the end of the Bitcoin conference in Miami, El Salvador was looking to legalize Bitcoin for legal tender in the country. They did so, as you can see here on El Salvador's Wikipedia page. They now accept Bitcoin and USD as legal tender. Big news for Bitcoin. Uh, Definitely met by the ire of the IMF, the International Monetary Fund. That's a conglomerate of 190 countries that oversee the stability of the world's monetary system, which basically comes down to a huge part being the US dollar, the US economy. And if El Salvador is utilizing US dollar and Bitcoin kind of head to head competition, might look bad for business on the IMF end. They tried to pressure El Salvador's president Nayib Bukele to reverse his position on Bitcoin. He's not budging, which is good. The uh, the Central American Bank has actually responded to the president of El Salvador saying they support the Bitcoin law. Pretty large bank, $13.5 billion in assets, headquartered in Honduras. They have offices in Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. So, a big bank backing with a country that's already announced they will legalize Bitcoin as tender. It's implemented. Panama has came out in the last week and a half and said they want to follow suit. I think you will get a lot of adoption in this area if El Salvador is successful. And if they're successful, things will start getting spicy. Spicy like a volcano. El Salvador has announced they are going to use geothermal energy to mine Bitcoin. They say that it is going to evolve fast, and it has. Same day they announced they would use geothermal, they tweeted out that they have dug a new well that will provide approximately 95 megawatts of 100% clean, zero emission geothermal energy from their volcanoes. They are already designing a full Bitcoin mining hub around it. What you see here is pure water vapor, which they will then utilize to generate electricity to mine Bitcoin. If Honduras can get out from under the IMF, utilize their country's own natural resources to generate massive amounts of Bitcoin, and become financially independent and financially successful, I think this will set off a huge chain reaction. One of the main chain reactions will be price action off of Bitcoin, such as Tesla. If they reverse their decision and start accepting Bitcoin as a payment once again, once the mining goal of clean energy is reached, that could cause huge price action for Bitcoin. Another benefit to financial independence would be getting out from under the IMF. El Salvador owns IMF a little bit of money. Max Kaiser suggests El Salvador float out Bitcoin volcano bonds to raise money to pay off the IMF loans. If El Salvador does volcano bonds and people think it's cool as shit just to buy a volcano bond and they generate enough money to pay off the IMF, they'll be on easy street. George from Global Blockchain Business Council said that 95 megawatts can generate 3 exahashes, which is around 600 Bitcoin in revenue per month or 250 million per year. If they get this power going and get this Bitcoin mining going, and you get chain reactions of good price action when companies like Tesla accept Bitcoin, you get out from under the IMF, you get your own stability as a country, your own financial freedom, and then you have other countries surrounding you also wanting the same things, could turn very bullish for Bitcoin, which is bullish for cryptocurrency. Since last week's video, Bitcoin dominance is up about 5%, meaning more money of the market cap is flowing into Bitcoin, and it's definitely led to very nice price action. Up 11.8% on the day, almost 7% on the week. Definitely bullish for a Sunday night to have 11% increase. Obviously, at this time of night, you do have your Asian markets waking up. European markets are starting to stir a little bit. You can see on the 7-day chart, Bitcoin did try to test 37, 38,000 a few times, got rejected each time. Definitely trying for a good leg up here, a good start on Monday. Like I said last week, I think that by the end of this week would be my prediction of the 40,000 plus. So to be at 39,000 on a Sunday night is a huge start for that. Hopefully, all these countries keep plowing ahead. I think that El Salvador is going to lead the way for Central America. You might see a country like Paraguay in South America who is definitely interested in Bitcoin, and we'll just kind of keep the ball rolling from there. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, tell your friends, and have a good week.